scientific device and their daily uses. Okay. So anybody know what are scientific devices? Any example? Yes.
Like AC, vacuum cleaner, washing machine.
And who is the inventor of AC?
William Carey.
Okay, sit down. Okay, please write in the notebook. First is तीन कॉलम्स बनाने हैं आपको. फर्स्ट कॉलम में लिखो इन्वेंशंस. Second column is in which year the device has invented. And third column, inventor. What is the name of inventor of that device? So number first is air conditioner. Number first is air conditioner. In which year air conditioner has invented? 1902. And what is the name of the inventor? William Carey. Done. Number second is calculator. Calculator. In which year calculator has discovered? In 1961. And the inventor name is? Inventor name is Pascal. Number third is camera. Camera is discovered in 1860. In 1860. Joseph Naisford. Number 4, digital camera. Digital camera. Digital camera has discovered in 1975 by Stephen Session. In 1975, Stephen Session. Number 5 is electric motor. Electric motor. Discovered in which year? Electric motor is discovered in which year? Anybody know? Yes?
1821.
No. And by whom? By whom? Michael Faraday. In 1821 by, sit down. Michael Faraday. Number 6 is pen. Ballpoint pen. Ballpoint pen in 1888 by John J. Loud.
John J.
Loud. John J. Loud. Next is fridge. Number 7 is fridge. In 1850 by Alexander Catlin, Alexander, Alexander, Catlin, Catlin, and James Hanson, and James Hanson, Hanson, Hanson. Next is penicillin. Penicillin, PENICI. बताया अभी Alexander Catlin and James Hanson. ALEXANDER, Alexander, CATLIN, Catlin, and James Hanson, JAMES HANSON. Next is penicillin. Penicillin is discovered in 1928 by Alexander Fleming. Important. Penicillin is very important. ALEXANDER, Alexander Fleming, FLEMING, Fleming. EXANDER, Fleming, FLEMING. अभी आपका नेक्स्ट हेडिंग होगा हेडिंग डालो इम्पोर्टेंट साइंटिफिक इंस्ट्रूमेंट. नेक्स्ट हेडिंग इज इम्पोर्टेंट साइंटिफिक इंस्ट्रूमेंट. Important scientific instruments and their uses and inventors. Important scientific instruments, uses and their inventors. Number first is, have you write it? Important scientific instruments, their uses and their inventors. First column for scientific instrument name. First column is for scientific instrument name. Second column goes to their uses. First column is scientific instrument name. Second is their uses and third is their inventors. सेम 3 कॉलम बनेंगे. नंबर फर्स्ट इंस्ट्रूमेंट लिखो. फर्स्ट कॉलम में नंबर फर्स्ट इंस्ट्रूमेंट लिखो.
मैम बीच में ईयर है ना.
नो uses. Emitter, AMMETER. नंबर फर्स्ट emitter, AMM. नंबर फर्स्ट है emitter, AMMETER. First is emitter, AMMETER. First scientific instrument is emitter, AMMETER. Uses देखो emitter is used for measuring what? Electric current. Is used for, it is used for, uses में लिखो it is used for measuring electric current. Electric current को measure करने के लिए क्या यूज करते हैं? एमीटर. डिवाइस का नाम क्या है? एमीटर. एंड इन्वेंट किसके थ्रू की गई थी? फ्रेडरिच ड्रेक्सलर. स्पेलिंग देखो. यस. Used to measuring electric current. Friedrich Fredrich Friedrich Drexler. Drexler. Friedrich Drexler. Number second device is dynamo. 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 Dynamo, what is dynamo? Dynamo is a device which is used to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. As you can see in your homes, generators is a dynamo, is a type of dynamo which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. यूज करते हो ना?
Yes, ma'am.
सबके घरों में है ना जनरेटर? जनरेटर इन्वर्टर जो भी है. Used to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. Uses में लिखो. It is a device used to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. Mechanical energy into electrical energy. And invented by Michael Faraday. Same, Michael Faraday. डायनामो इन्वेंट किया था इन्होंने. Next is number third is endoscope. 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 Yes. Endoscope is a device which is used to test, to examine internal parts of the body. Endoscope. ENDOSCOPE. It is a device used to examine internal parts of the body. Internal parts of the body.
Internal organs.
Yes. And inventor is Bozzini. BOZZINI. Bozzini.
Yes.
Next is periscope. 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 PERISCOPE.
Ma'am, to view distant objects from submarine.
Yes. It is used to view objects above sea level. It is used to view objects above sea level. Or you can say used in submarines. Used in submarines. Invented by Hippolyte Mary Davy. The spelling is HIPPOLYTEMARIEDAVY. Hippolyte Mary Davy. Next is microphone. M-I-C-R-O, microphone. Next is microphone. Convert sound waves into electrical signals. It is used to convert sound waves into electrical signals. Electrical signals. Who has discovered this? Alexander Graham Bell, which is used to convert sound waves, S-O-U-N-D, sound, W-A-V-E-S, sound waves, into electrical signals. Electrical signals. Alexander Graham Bell. Who has invented this? A-L-E-X-A-N-D-E-R, Alexander Graham, G-R-A-H-A-M, B-E-L-L, Bell. Done? Next is pyrometer. Pyro, P-Y-R-O. Alexander Graham Bell. Pyrometer, P-Y-R-O-M-E-T-E-R. Pyrometer. Measures. It is used to measure very high temperature. It is used to measure very high temperature. And invented by Josiah, J-O-S-I-A-H, Josiah Wedgwood, W-E-D-G-W-O-O-D, Wedgwood. Pyrometer. Measures very high temperature. Next is seismograph. Next is seismograph.
Intensity of earthquake.
S-E-I-S-M-O. S-E-I-S-M-O. G-R-A-T-H. Seismograph is a device which is used to recording the intensity, and origin of earthquake. And invented by John Milne. John Milne. Yes. Seismograph is used to record intensity and origin of earthquake. Used to record intensity and origin of earthquake. Invented by John Milne.